Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Okay, so for this one right here, I'm being asked to solve for m. So my eye should look at m, because that's what I'm being asked to solve for. So m, I want to get you by yourself, okay? So that means whatever is close to this m right here, I'm gonna have to get rid of it. So looking at this, the n is close to the m, so I have to get rid of the n. And to get rid of this, I know I always have to do the opposite, right? So if it's a plus, I have to minus that n. But whatever I do on one side, I have to do the same thing on the other side. So I minus n on this side also. So now the n's will cancel. So I have my m that I'm solving for by itself equals whatever this is, which is 18 minus the n. Okay, that is not too bad. Alright, so what about this one right here? I'm solving for x. So my eye should be looking at the variable x. So x, I'm solving for you, okay? So I want to have the x by itself. So that means whatever is close to this x, on this side of the equal sign, I have to get rid of it. So positive 5 is close to this x, so you have to go. It's a positive. To get rid of it, I know I always do the opposite. So I'm going to have to minus the 5. But whatever I do on one side, I know I have to do the same thing on the other side. So I minus 5 on this side also. The 5's will cancel. So now I have the x that I'm being asked to solve for by itself. So I have my x equals what? Whatever this is, which is y minus 5. I love this. What about this one right here? So I'm being asked to solve for y. Now I know how to do this, okay? So I'm good. Alright, so I'm being asked to solve for y. So I should be looking at what? Y, because that's what I'm being asked to solve for. So I have to know where y is, and this is y. So on this side of the equal sign, I know this is y. But whatever is close to this y is what I have to get rid of, because I just want to have that y by itself. So negative 20 by, I'm going to have to do the opposite. So plus 20. And whatever I do on one side, I know I have to do the same thing on the other side. So I have to add 20 also. So now, negative 20 plus 20. Whenever I have opposite signs, same number, I know it always cancels. So now I have the y that I'm solving for by itself equals what? Whatever this is. X plus 20. But I know because of these are not like terms, that's why I'm not able to combine them. That's why I leave it just like it is. Just like all these right here. They are not like terms. They were not like terms. So when I got the variable that I was solving for by itself, I didn't have to worry about the answer. I kept it the same because they are not like terms. But I did have the variable that I'm solving for by itself. I love this. Now it's your turn. So I was a student for a second. Now you're going to have to practice these on your own, so you can make sure you got this.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.